Well, I'm here at Best Buy checking out the sizing of the Pixel 9 Pro XL versus the 9, and the 9 Pro is supposed to be the same size. And I think after holding my hand and having the 8 Pro phone, I think I'm going to stick with the larger size, which is nicer for looking at websites and videos. And it actually doesn't feel too heavy in my hand. Obviously, a case is going to add more weight. With the 9 Pro XL, you're going to get, and the 9 Pro, you're going to get that glossy finish with a chrome finish. And then you're also going to get on the back, you're going to have a matte finish. If you end up deciding to go with just the 9, you're going to have that painted finish and glassy back. So just be aware of that. But I think size-wise, yeah, it's really hard to go back to a smaller size phone. And I think that's going to be the way I'm going to go. And also, like going to a website, it's definitely going to make a difference. So I was going to actually try and pull up a website. But nonetheless, this will give you an idea. Any questions you have, let me know. But I think the bigger one is the way to go.